Hey guys, how's it going? Thank you so much for watching another Yeastar Tech Talk 2022. I'm Jason. So good to be here today, guys. First of all, I want to share with you guys the great news. Check this. Our new Yeastar studio looks really awesome, right? Well, to be very honest, we spent a lot of time for the decoration. So hopefully next time if you guys can visit us, I truly want you guys to check this place. Really awesome. All right. Okay, enough talk. Let's start our topic today. Today I'm going to introduce you guys a very important update on your S-Series PBX. It's called LCS Pro. So as what we called LCS Pro, it's a fully upgraded solution for your LCS. Previously, you can use the LCS on your S-Series PBX for remote working. That's pretty dynamic, right? This time, this LCS Pro gives you more user experiences and more advanced features. So for example, with the LCS Pro, your S-Series PBX this time is capable for providing you this dedicated domain name, which is also known as the Yeastar FQDN. This is the first point. And the next point is this, the LCS Pro also gives you a pretty good solution, which is called Remote SIP Service. So what is the Remote SIP Service? Well, the Remote SIP Service actually can help you to realize the hybrid working solution and even the branch office solution. So for example, if you have multiple offices, like Office A, Office B, headquarters, branch offices, anyway, you want to realize the interconnections between them. So you need a SIP trunk, right? Now this time you can absolutely use our Remote SIP Service to realize this interconnection. Use the domain name, guys. It's fully encrypted. And also you will be able to have the hybrid work solution easily. So you can register your Linkus mobile client, your desktop client easily, absolutely. And you can also register this, guys, the hardware desktop phone or any other SIP devices remotely. So it's pretty good for us to realize this hybrid work solution, all right? And of course, I think this solution is really awesome and pretty sure we have some highlights. So let's have a look. Number one, the first highlight we can have there with this, LCS Pro, I guess is going to be high connectivity. Because exactly like I said before, you will be able to have the branch office solution, make it work easily. You will be able to have the hybrid work solution with the LCS Pro easily. Absolutely, because this FQDN helps you a lot, right? So high connectivity is the first highlight. And number two, you will also be able to have a very easy configuration user experience, guys. The whole configuration, well, it's so simple, just a few clicks, guys. Pretty sure. I will show you more details later. And number three, this is also good for security. So no port forwardings, guys. Traditionally, if you want to realize hybrid work solution, remote work solution, or even the branch office solution, you're supposed to configure the public IP address with port forwarding and even NAT configuration. This time, guys, not anymore, all right? Just use this LCS Pro. It can help you to handle everything. That's exactly what we can have with this new update, all right? Well, generally speaking, that's a pretty good solution for everyone, guys, to be very honest. And one more thing, which is very important. I think you guys now have a question is, how do we enable this LCS Pro? How do we get it? Well, it's actually very easy, just like what we had before with the LCS. Still, this is going to be a subscription-based service. You guys don't need to do anything else. Simply jump into your system, enable this service, and there you go. Oh, enough talk. I'm going to show you guys more details with the live demo. So let's jump into the, configuration portal. Have a look. I got an S300. Let's jump in, see what's going to happen there. All right, here we go. So when you try to enable the LCS Pro, jump into your configuration portal and just go find Linkus, click on that directly, and there you go. You guys can see here, all right, Linkus Clous Service. So how do we do this? As you guys can see on the top side there, you have Enable Linkus Server. Make sure this one is already selected, all right, enable the Linkus Server, step one. And next step, you guys can keep going with this Linkus Clous Service Pro. We also provide you guys a free trial. So I'm just going to enable my trial license now. So let's go click on free trial, enable the trial license. All right, here we go. Trial license, it's enabled. Now we keep going. Now we enable chat function for Linkus. All right, so this is the first step. And the second step, enable remote SIP service. Absolutely, I'm going to use that one later. So we will enable this as well. All right, so you guys can see we already got this FQDN created by the system automatically. And this is exactly the encrypted private tunnel for you to realize the hybrid work solution and branch office solution. Absolutely. One more thing on this panel, as you guys can see here, is called SIP Access. That's a solution for you to enhance your security. Absolutely. If you care about the security, you can go access this place to enable it for some particular remote extension users, like I said. So, for example, if I want to make extension 1000 be registered on my PBX remotely, then I will just need to select this extension 1000. That's what I'm going to do. Then click on Save and apply for it. There you go. All right. Okay, so here we go. Let's talk about this solution. How do we make use of this FQDN? So first example I want to share with you guys is going to be the phone registration. Let's see, I want to use it for hybrid work solution or remote work solution. Well, pretty simple. We're just going to jump into the configuration portal of our IP phone. Like I said, I'm going to register this extension 1000 remotely. So we jump into the configuration portal of our IP phone, and here you guys can see this is for extension 1000. So absolutely, I will need to enter some basic information for that extension, which is extension 1000. And as for the phone registration, the server address over here, as you can see, the server host, we will just need to back to our PBX, copy that FQDN, and switch it back to the configuration portal of our IP phone. Simply drop it over here. That's the way how we realize the phone registration. See, that's very easy, very simple, of course. All right, and one more thing, guys. This FQDN, we can also use it for, branch office solutions. Absolutely. So on the S-Series PBX, if you have multiple offices, all right, you want to realize the branch office solution, we use multi-site interconnect. So this S300, as I mentioned, we can actually make it work as the headquarters system, right? So basically means over here, we just use the multi-site interconnect. So we choose headquarters here. Absolutely, this is going to be our headquarters system. Then we just need to add a branch office. So we're going to create a user account for the branch office, right? For example, the user account is 68,000. We got a branch ID, branch password. That's it. Then we're back to the other system, which is another PBX. We're going to use this hybrid work solution, make it as the branch office. Here we go. And here we just need to register it on our headquarter PBX. So here, host name and IP address. Again, like I said, we're going to use exactly the FQDN based on that headquarter PBX. And as for the branch ID, just like I mentioned, it will be 6800 and also the password. We're going to copy that password over here. Let's have a look. There you go. Then click on Save and apply for the configuration, apply for our modifications. So it will just take a couple of seconds, then all the things, they will be configured perfectly. Okay? All right, anyway, guys, as you can see, when you try to use the LCS Pro for your solutions, your branch office solution, your hybrid work solution, or remote working solution, generally speaking, that's very easy to use, gives you a very good user experience, and this is good for your security, and it's very practical, pretty short. All right. Also, guys, very important point here is, don't forget we have a free trial. So next time, jump into your S-Series system, don't forget to enable the trial license. That's very important. Okay, and that's all we have for today's session. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Have a nice day.